Hey everyone, Dave here with Fragrance Bros, bringing another unboxing of these right here, and these are the John Varvatos Artisan line. Now, I did a review of the whole John Varvatos line. If you want to go watch that, you can go up here in the top right corner, go check out that video right there. I really like the John Varvatos line. I think he has a really cool perspective. The Artisan line is kind of his fresh fragrance line, and I wanted to do this because first of all the review actually did really well for the channel and a lot of people really watched that, but also too, I think these bottles are beautiful and I'm not sure how much longer we will have the John Varvatos line. I think these are now discontinued. I think the whole line is discontinued if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but I guess we'll find out. I know that John Varvatos filed for bankruptcy, so I'm not sure how the fragrance line will do, and it may even be radically different later down the road. And that kind of saddens me because this line was kind of unique. It still is kind of unique for what it is. Now, the first one started, of course, with Artisan, and we'll go ahead and open that real quick. It's a really simple box. I really like the presentation of John Varvatos, and I think he does simple where simple needs to happen and complex where complex needs to happen. This, I think, is one of the coolest bottles. In one aspect, it's simple in that it's just the same thing. You know, there's not even really a logo on the front, which is kind of strange for a fragrance bottle. It's on the cap there. And the cap is not exactly heavy, but it's heavier than typical fare that you would find for these type of bottles. And I like how it looks kind of distressed and aged. That's really cool. There's actual wicker right here, so that's pretty cool. And this is a really nice kind of bright orange, zest, fresh type of scent. Really cool. And I forget which one came next, but we'll just go ahead and open the Artisan Aqua right here. And as you can tell from the name, oh, got a little bit of dust right there. As you can tell from the name, it is Artisan. Oh, there's the bottle. Spoiler warning. So as you can tell from the name, it's Artisan, but it is also an Aqua version of that. So that's pretty cool. And the front has kind of a, you can see kind of the texture there, and you can feel it too. It has that kind of like a homemade paper style texture, which is pretty neat. And the bottle, I think, is so cool. Really cool design. It does kind of look like something you'll find at like a beach shop or something like that, which I always think those type of souvenirs are really cheesy, but for whatever reason, he actually did it really well here, and it looks really nice. Very beachy and aquatic. Really, really cool. And this is, I guess, real straw. Like it a lot. And the scent itself is pretty good too. All right, next we'll go with Artisan Blue right here. And of course, this is a blue themed fragrance. It's still in the aqua range. As you can see, it looks kind of like ocean water. And again, this one has a textured, kind of a textured box right there. Pretty neat. And another spoiler there for the bottle. And very much in the blue range. What I like about this one is that it's a blue smelling fragrance, but it has some added features in there, like some herbs, and I really like this a lot. And blue through and through. I really like this one a lot as well. I like how it continued the Artisan Aqua theme, but is just blue. So that's real straw on the outside. And yeah, blue glass bottle there. Really beautiful. Really like this. All right, and the last but not least is Artisan Pure, and this is the newest one that came out a couple of years ago. And if I didn't mention, these are all 4.2 ounces, 125 mil. Though they do sell them in smaller sizes. I believe the smaller size is 60 mil or something like that. Here is Artisan Pure, and again, the textured bottle on the outside, really cool, almost like sand or stucco or something like that. And this one goes back more towards the Artisan bottle. It has the wicker on the outside. The weave is a little bit different on this. It's not as uniform as the other one is. I think as far as the Artisan line, I think this is by far the best. Really wearable citrus scent that is bright and fresh and just gorgeous. The top on this is a little bit different. It is really light, and I don't believe that is wood, though it's supposed to look like wood. It's not really wood. But still, really cool bottle. Really like that a lot. With that, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Fragrance X. Fragrance X is an online retailer that sells thousands of legitimate fragrances for a discounted price. If you're considering buying a fragrance, definitely check out Fragrance X. I'll have a link down below to them as well as a coupon. So that is all I have for this unboxing. What do you think of these bottles? Let me know down in the comments down below. Of course, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell so you get a notification every time I make an upload. I'll see you next time. I'm David with the Fragrance Bros. Bye.